I will walk in thy truth, unite my heart to fear thy name. I'll praise thee, O Lord my God, with all my heart, and I will glorify thy name forevermore. For great is thy mercy toward me, and thou hast delivered my soul from the lowest hell. O God, the proud are risen against me, and the assemblies of violent men have sought after my soul, and have not set thee before them. But thou, O Lord, art a God full of compassion, and gracious long suffering, and plenteous in mercy and truth. Dear children of God, we know how gracious and merciful God is our God in our midst. The more when we trust Him, the more when we rely on Him, really the Lord shall preserve the nation. You know how the United Nations were staggering in their life. People are retreating from the faith. People are going backward from all the covenant and the decision they made earlier.